Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for being here, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you for always showing me love on this channel. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a quick install of this beautiful wig that I got off of Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. This was actually a wig that I purchased, and I'm deciding to show you guys what it looks like for the very first time on my hair. I've had a wig similar to this, but not this color, number one, and not this full with, you know, I've always wanted to have something like this actually. So all I'm just gonna do right now is put this on my hair. It's a glueless wig. This is what the inside looks like. It has the clips, and I think the band too as well is strong enough. It's just that one has to be careful with this band because, hey guys, look at this. It goes in and messes with the coils, which will cause the hair to tangle. I'm just gonna put this back in here, and I want to show you guys. So the disadvantage with this hair is it's already started tangling. Do you guys see this? I don't know, this place just didn't look coordinated. It just looks like it wasn't treated properly. I don't know. Well, obviously it's synthetic hair, so let's do this, guys. Ooh. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust this at the back. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like. Let me bring it up close and personal for you guys to see. So I want you guys to see something, notice something, which I'm gonna be talking about very soon. So guys, as you can see, this side of the hair is not coordinated with this side of the hair. Why? Because I don't know, this side has been messed with. Right from when I got the hair, I just realized that this side looks more puffier, so there's no balance. And guys, the hair is shedding. So if you have extra change to spare, you know, you just want to splurge, you want to see how this hair is gonna look on you, I mean, go for it. I got it off of Amazon. I think maybe about $20-something, not so expensive, which I think is cool, because I mean, it's not something that you want to put on every day. Just once in a while when you just feel you want to have that, oh my gosh, who is she? Oh, and when you just want to stand out from the crowd, you're going like, oh, it's the lady with the red hair, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's giving me this bohemian vibe, which I think I like. I like it. I think it's cool. It fits my face. I love the color. I love the coils. I actually do put on curly hair like this, but not with the front, you know, I don't know what to call it. It's called as the front cut or the front bob. It's never had this. It's usually the one that just just stands out there. I think it's okay for me for the price. You know, I'm just gonna enjoy it while it lasts before it tangles away. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. Let me know what you guys think about my look in the comment section. Do you think you like this look on me? Do you think the hair looks good on me? Do you think the color is okay? Is it flamboyant? Thank you so much for watching this video. Just to share with you guys real quick, please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.